Welcome to my channel everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet 3D flower granny square. Let's start with a magic circle and crochet 8 single crochet in the magic circle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 8 single crochet in the magic circle. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. And chain 1. I'm going to show you last round. We are only going to crochet the loop that close to you. So we make chain 7 and snip stitch to the same stitch, only pick up one loop that close to you, closer to you. Snip stitch and snip stitch to the next stitch. You are only pick up one loop, not the further one, the closer one, and snip stitch and repeating the pattern. Chain 7, snip stitch to the same stitch and snip stitch to the next stitch. Only pick up one loop each time. So the pattern for this round is chain 7 and snip stitch to the same stitch, snip stitch to the next stitch and chain 7 and repeat the pattern finishing round. After the last chain 7, we snip stitch back to the same stitch and snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Chain 1. Now we are going to crochet on the back. There's a rest of the loop that we didn't pick up earlier. Snip stitch to one stitch and make chain 9 and snip stitch back to the same stitch, snip stitch to the next stitch, and we are going to repeat the pattern. Chain 9, snip stitch to the same stitch and snip stitch to the next stitch. Please repeat this pattern and finish round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Chain 1. Following, we are going to make one single crochet between 2 petals. One single crochet and chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and make one single crochet between next 2 petals. And chain 5. So the pattern for this round is one single crochet between 2 petals and chain 5 and one single crochet to the last stitch between 2 petals and chain 5. Please repeat the pattern and finish around. After that, snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Chain 1. We are going to crochet in the chain space, so snip stitch to the chain space first and chain 4, make treble crochet. We need to make 5 treble crochets in total. This is 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochets, 3 treble crochets, 4 treble crochet, 5 treble crochets, and chain 4, and snip stitch to the same chain space. Now chain 1 and snip stitch to the next chain space. Now we're going to repeat the pattern. Chain 4 and make 5 treble crochets in the same chain space. 2, 3, 4, 5, and chain 4. Snip stitch to the same chain space. Chain 1. Please repeat this pattern finishing the round. And snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. And cut off the yarn. We're going to use other color for the rest of the square. Insert the hook in the chain 1 space between 2 petals. Make 1 single crochet. Chain 5. 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space between 2 petals and chain 5. And crochet 1 single crochet in the same stitch. So in this chain 1 space, we crochet 1 single crochet, chain 5, and 1 single crochet. Chain 5, make 1 single crochet to the last chain 1 space, chain 5, 1 single crochet to the chain 1 space, last chain 1 space in chain 5, and 1 single crochet to the same stitch, chain 5. 1 single crochet for the next chain 1 space, chain 5, one single crochet for the last chain 1 space, chain 5, and 1 single crochet for the same chain 1 space, chain 5. 1 single crochet for the next chain 1 space, chain 5, 1 single crochet for the last chain 1 space, chain 5, 1 single crochet for the same chain 1 space, chain 5, and snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Following, we are going to crochet 1 single crochet in the middle of the chain 5 space. So snip stitch over 2 stitches and chain 1, make 1 single crochet, chain 5, crochet 1 single crochet in this circle, chain 5, 1 single crochet in the same chain space. So in this chain space, we crochet 1 single crochet, chain 5, and 1 single crochet in the same chain space. Chain 5, 1 single crochet for the next chain 5 space, chain 5, 1 single crochet from the last chain 5 space and chain 5. Goes to this circle again. We just repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet, chain 5, 1 single crochet to the same chain area, chain 5, 1 single crochet to the next chain space, chain 5, 1 single crochet, chain 5. In the circle we crochet 1 single crochet, chain 5, and 1 single crochet in the same chain space. And chain 5, 1 single crochet to the next chain space, chain 5, 1 single crochet to the next chain space, chain 5. In the circle crochet 1 single crochet, chain 5, and 1 single crochet, chain 5, 1 single crochet to the next chain space, chain 5, and snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Some of you might just like square like this. If you like this black and white one, you can continue crocheting. Make 1 single crochet in this stitch. You can do chain 3 instead of first double crochet, or you can crochet like I do. 1 double crochet. Following, we're going to crochet 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in the chain space. Make 1 double crochet in the stitch, and in the chain space we'll make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet. For this round, every stitch you make double crochet. So in this stitch you make 1 double crochet, and chain space except the corner you always make 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet. Stitch will make 1 double crochet. So the pattern for this round is make 1 double crochet in every single crochet stitch, and in every chain 5 space except the corner you make 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 half double crochet. From the corner chain 5 space you make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Follow the pattern and finish around. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Chain 1. This is how we make this 3D flower granny square. You can see the size difference between these two granny squares. This black and white one I use 3.5 mm hook, and this purple and white one I was using 2 mm hook. I think this would look beautiful if you make a jumper out of it. Please subscribe, like, and comment in this video for more free tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.